Hi, what's your goal when you're communicating with clients? Is it to tell them all the information that they need to be told, or is it to help them feel informed at all stages of the client journey? Some would argue it's the same thing, but clients would beg to differ. They notice when firms do it well, but they also notice when they don't. So chances are it's client communications that is both building up and dragging down your NPS, CSAT, or equivalent measure. Why is that? Well, it's because fee earners see communications as a process. It's something you do to clients. It's something that creates noise. It costs time, it costs money, and therefore it's only done when they believe it's necessary. But now let's look at it outside in from the client's perspective. Clients see communications as a feeling. They want to feel informed at all stages of the client journey. And that creates a disconnect because client expectations can vary. Some clients will be happy to just be told when there's something to tell, and others will want to know what's happening at all stages of the client journey. One size doesn't fit all. And therefore, if you're not asking questions along the way, if you're not asking up front, what is it you need to know? How do you want us to communicate with you? Then you can't meet those expectations. And therefore, you can't deliver a standout customer experience. So what's the idea for today? It's to think about communications as a feeling, not just a process. If you want to deliver great client experiences, you need to understand their expectations up front, which means you need to ask and you need to listen, and then you need to be able to adapt the process to how they want it to be done.